made up from other days, and as for those who can fast with difficulty, etc., an old man, they have a choice either to fast or to feed a miskin, needy person, for every day. But whoever does good of his own accord, it is better for him, and that you fast is better for you if only you know. रोजे गिनती के चंद दिन हैं, फिर तुम में से कोई बीमार हो या सफर पर हो तो दूसरे दिनों से गिनती पूरी कर ले। और जो लोग रोजा रखने की ताकत रखते हो फिर ना रखें तो उसका फिदिया एक मिस्कीन को खाना खिलाना है। फिर अगर कोई अपनी खुशी से ज्यादा नेकी करे तो ये उसके लिए बेहतर है, और तुम्हारा रोजा रखना तुम्हारे लिए कहीं बेहतर है अगर तुम इल्म रखते हो। This is everything Allah Ta'ala saying about the fasting. Fasting is not for everybody. If someone's sick, they have excuse. Someone is traveling, they have excuse. That person come and fast after. But who's sick? That person, Allah Ta'ala says, he feed every day miskin 2 times. Food for that with good way. That also fair. But who not sick, that people have to fast. That is the first fast, and voluntary fast. Up to you want to fast or not. First have to fast. But voluntary choice, like Monday and Thursday, and I am a base, and that is 13, 14, 15, like this, every month. شهر رمضان الذي أنزل فيه القرآن هدى للناس وبينات من الهدى والفرقان فمن شهد منكم الشهر فليصم ومن كان مريضا أو على سفر فعدة من أيام أخر يريد الله بكم اليسر ولا يريد بكم العسر ولتكملوا العدة ولتكبروا الله على ما هداكم ولعلكم تشكرون. The month of Ramadan is which was revealed the Quran, a guidance for mankind, for the guidance for mankind, and clear proofs for the guidance and the creature or the creation between right and wrong. So whoever of you sights the crescent of the first night of the month of Ramadan, that is present at his home, he must observe sound fasting that month, and whoever is ill or on a journey, the same number of days which one did not observe sound fast must be made up from other days. Allah intends for you ease, and He does not want to make things difficult for you. He wants that you must complete the same number of days, and that you must magnify Allah to say Takbir, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar is the most great for having guided you that you may be grateful to Him. रमजान का महीना वो है जिसमें कुरान नाजिल किया गया, जो इंसानों के लिए हिदायत है। उसमें हिदायत की वाज़ेह और हक़ को बातिल से जुदा करने वाली दलीलें हैं। फिर तुम में से जो शख्स इस महीने को पाए तो उसे चाहिए कि उसके रोजे रखे। जो शख्स बीमार हो या सफर पर हो तो दूसरे दिनों में गिनती पूरी करे। अल्लाह तुम्हारे लिए आसानी चाहता है और वो तुम्हारे लिए तंगी नहीं चाहता, ताकि तुम गिनती पूरी करो और उस पर अल्लाह की बड़ाई बयान करो। उसने तुम्हें हिदायत दी और ताकि तुम शुक्र करो। See this, Allah mentioned everything. Quran Allah revealed in this month, and Quran have hidayat and guidance, and Allah made this Ramadan to fast. If you not fast, anyway you're traveling or sick, then you complete after. And someone is very sick, is not complete, then help the poor and needy. And Allah Ta'ala saying, Allah make ease everything for you, not making anything hard. And same time Allah saying, you please Allah and do shukr of Allah, because you got guidance from Allah Ta'ala. You not get guidance anyone from except Allah. That's why we need to shukr. Shukr is what? You please Allah. We not want to become evil and animal and devil. Allah forgive us. Allah save us. وَإِذَا سَأَلَكَ عِبَادِي عَنِّي فَإِنِّي قَرِيبٌ أُجِيبُ دَعْوَةَ الدَّاعِ إِذَا دَعَانِ فَلْيَسْتَجِيبُوا لِي وَلْيُؤْمِنُوا بِي لَعَلَّهُمْ yarshudun. And when my slaves ask you, O Muhammad Sallallahu concerning me, then answer them. I am indeed near to them by my knowledge. I respond to the invocation of the supplicant when he calls on me, without any mediator or intercessor. So let them obey me and believe in me, so that they may be led aright. ए नबी, जब मेरे बंदे आपसे मेरे बारे में सवाल करें तो बेशक मैं करीब हूँ, मैं दुआ करने वालों की दुआ कबूल करता हूँ। जब भी मुझसे दुआ करे बस चाहिए कि वो भी मेरे हुक्मों को माने और मुझ पर ईमान लाए ताकि वो हिदायत पाए। Allah Ta'ala saying to Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, you know, whoever asks anything, I help them, and accept I duas. And same time Allah Ta'ala saying, who follow my commands and who believe Allah Ta'ala, that person, you know, of course Allah help and Allah take care and Allah bless. Allah make peace to please Allah Ta'ala. Say Ameen. And Allah forgive our shortcoming. And see, this is Allah Ta'ala in, you know, motivating to do dua. Don't rush people now. Don't have time to do dua. Everybody asking everyone, but not asking to Allah and feel shy to ask. Need to ask Allah Ta'ala whatever matters, health, wealth, you know, material of dunya, you know, and forever success, how to get far, everything we need to ask. Allah make it for us. Allah help us to do that. And I request all of the students in the time of this have to listen, not scream and not run and here and there.